you. See, that energy makes me want to do it way more. I appreciate you guys. I have one that's like stuck. And thank you. It's stuck, y'all, and I cannot get it. I'm trying. Oh, definitely.
Sorry, guys. Had to let. Just come back. Wait.
Yo, Landon, they
She gave me. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm here. I'm kind of low on food. What's your... What? Oh my god, guys, I'm really... Sorry, guys. Sorry. Sorry, guys.
I had
What does Bane of Arthropod do? The next two slimy? These guys might just... No, auntie? What you want? Good image, ready? Sorry. So you see. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry.
Oh yeah.
That's really good.
Yes, it is.
Sorry.
Never mind.
That was so fucking That was really fucking good. I did. That was only 8 ounces. Yeah, solid. Gray apricot tastes really good. I definitely should have done that one first. That was gross. She's always gonna be the better. Coconut berry's not bad. Oh, we made a mess. My lip ring got on. Oh my god. That's why I was making No, I only had one. That's alright. Shake your tummy a little bit. What the fuck? I'm broken. Your taste buds. That's good. That's so fun to do now.